Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add oil to the Instant Pot along with the rinsed rice, still damp, water and salt. Lock the lid and set the steam valve to its sealing position. Select the Rice button or follow the cooking chart below. Allow the pressure to release naturally for 10 minutes and then release any remaining pressure.
Take our lead.
Although Instant Pot recommends a 1 to 1.25 ratio, several customer reviews reveal that a 1-to-1 ratio comes out better, especially with rinsed rice. The reason you would use less water when cooking rice with a pressure cooker than with a normal rice cooker is because the pressure cooker has an airtight seal.
Take our lead.
1-to-1 ratio. It's official. 1-to-1 ratio of water makes perfect rice, so the next time you make rice in your Instant Pot, consider the 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water for your starting point. If it's not quite right, try adding a little more water until you find the sweet spot that makes your perfect rice, every time.
Take our lead.
If you're using the ever-popular parboiled, or long-grain white rice, the handy Rice Smart program was made precisely you. This setting automatically adjusts the time based on the volume of rice you add to the inner pot, so it truly is a one-button operation.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Named after the sweet-smelling jasmine flower, jasmine rice is a long-grain rice native to Thailand with a delicate floral and buttery scent. The secret to cooking it perfectly is getting the right ratio of water to rice. Typically, the instructions on the package call for 1-1/2 cups water for every 1 cup of rice.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
A 6-quart Instant Pot's capacity is 24 cups and 2/3 of that are 16 cups. There should not be more than 16 cups cooked rice in the Instant Pot, and since 1 cup raw makes 3 cups cooked, we have to divide the 16 by 3.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.